Oh my goodness, let's see. Oh, David.
Oh, I got something.
Oh, it's the sippy cup thing.
Elena, how'd you know yours was pink?
Mommy.
How'd you know yours was pink?
Oh, wow. What do you think they
Jeez.
are?
Open them up. Open them up.
Wow. Sugar-free Ruffles Stuffers. Reese's Pieces, Mommy's favorite.
Oh no!
Instead of M&M's, we can have Reese's Pieces. Oh, jelly beans.
Jelly beans.
Cool. What else? We got Chips Ahoy cookies. Cool.
Cookies.
Cool.
Oh no!
Hey, Graham. Yay! What do you guys tell me, Mom?
Elena, say thank you, Mima.
Oh look! Oh, it's
Bexton.
carrot.
What do you say to Mima?
Thank you, Mima. Thank you, Mima. You are the best.
No,
Happy Easter.
Okay.
Thanks, Mima.